We bought another house, and this little truck was in the garage. So, looks like that wasn't even hooked up. Nice. Might be a nice little parts runner. Probably Nick.
What the fuck? Kitty cat, you scared?
Is there? Yep, that should work. All right. Got a lot of leaks, but hey, we gonna try this shit. See if it'll start.
Good.
Not yet. You know what you're doing?
Not on this part.
Look at it. Look on the back side. This is gonna be your positive. Okay, you're good.
Right, I just didn't know what to hook to, more or less.
Oh,
I saw the red there.
Oh, okay.
That's not fucking, that's the rust.
That's fine. It's not really a good spot here.
This cat's trying to die.
Yeah, he is. Get out of here, Carbon. Come on, bro. Get out of here.
Good. Good? Yep.
All right, crank her over. I'll push the clutch in. You got it in? Nothing.
Yep.
It keeps going off and on.
Yeah, something's beeping. Oh, here, let's wait a minute. Yeah,
We've got
let's wait a minute. Wait for it to charge up.
this tiny little tap here.
Huh? I know, right? That's fucking awesome. Well, free truck came with one of the houses. Not too shabby. The joys that come with buying properties that people don't want is there's always all kinds of junk
Figured you didn't have any
that we get to go through. Mostly goes to the trash, but there are times that we find some things that are worth money or at least useful.
Fuck.
What is that?
Oh, it just fell apart.
Throw it away. I think I'm gonna throw up too.
Caprice owner's manual.
Caprice? There's a Caprice next door. Need an ashtray? He's so afraid of it. It's funny.
I thought he fell. I was like, oh man, I feel bad.
Does Cody want an ashtray? Or two? Another one. Nice.
Like that torque wrench.
Dude, all those tools Snap-on?
Snap-on. I bet all these fucking...
I think they are.
These are going to be Snap-on.
Probably all those, yep. I'd grab all those.
Oh, yeah, these are all Snap-on.
Those will clean up really
All
easy.
these bits
That's
are
just
Snap-on.
surface rust, man. We can put these on fucking eBay.
These are Snap-on too.
Because once we have no
Those are
more
Snap-on or not.
stuff to do, which I don't know when that'll ever be.
Yeah, we'll have to get all the bits out of the bottom of the box.
Oh,
It is a
shit, those are
Snap-on.
Snap-on.
Yep, that's a Snap-on wrench. It's all Snap-on stuff.
Look at that spider right there. That is huge. It's right behind this crate. Oh my god. Rich Daddy long legs?
Probably.
Leave, I don't care.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put these in a thing of oil.
The trash can here.
Yeah, it is.
This dude?
We can use those somewhere.
I don't know what to put on the side.
Shit, dude. That's a camp fucking brush. Caught at game August 1st, 1979. Hutch Bronxford, Dodge City.
That's why I was like, I bet he had that for cooking his fucking dough.
Caught at game August 1st, 1979. Dave and Patricia Moore.
He's good. Jumping here? I need some.
Dude.
No.
Started going through the
Old ass coins in here, son.
toy boxes. Or toy boxes, tool boxes.
This is just in the box.
Found some old ass money.
That's change. Look at
Jeez.
this, Dad.
Yeah, right. He'll probably love going through that. That's hilarious. Add it to the tip jar.
I think it's fake. It feels fake, or it's just been in the sun.
Yeah, these other bills feel cool.
That's hilarious.
Hey, shoot $100.
Oh, that's good. Nice little special. Brand new fucking knife. Pan.
There you go.
Oh, leave it. Oh, yes.
Dibs. What is it?
Call dibs on it.
Oh, hell yeah. What do you keep calling dibs on? We was like, what the fuck are you finding? Just take all this shit out. I'm gonna take it out anyways.
Okay.
Wound up throwing it away.
Which one in the dump trailer?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll throw away whatever we don't want or can't sell. That's hilarious right there. I could not believe that thing runs. Let's dump that thing in the trash real quick. Well, we got it finally. Didn't take as much as I thought it was going to, but it's here now.